Now, as you see, we have a white tablecloth. Polyester or cotton can do because it's reusable and washable. You don't have to do much ironing with this type of fabric. But when you're planning your wedding or your events, make sure you have your colour coordination planned beforehand. As you can see, the table runner has been placed vertical and central on the table. And now you see the champagne bottle into the champagne bucket. Now, creativity, it's not a golden rule because you can do this so many times and it's wherever the ribbons are placed. So this is a clear guide and bespokes in positioning. Now, as we have placed the bigger items on the table, we now begin to design the table by focusing on the centerpieces and the middle vertical central, always making sure all the tables will be lined up identical to this stage. This is the planning process program at this stage, and at all angles you always have to make sure your guests, your clients, can see the features of the table at different bird's eye views. And as you can see, the decorator right now has positioned and has done different ways and has actually all the objects on the table are very central and very rewarding. This is very wonderful for your events. Something very simple but sophisticated. Nothing overbearing. Less is much. Have you heard of that saying, less is much? So it's all about the features and the planning and how you position your designs on the table. So they're not too overly clustered, but they're just right. Right features, right places. And there we have a finished design of a table deco, and this can be for your evening meals, your dinner parties, conference events. So we'd like to congratulate our wedding